So you guys have reached the BYOTB part of our website, to build your own taco bar. So what makes Taco Bar Catering so unique and so different from anybody else out there is that we give you guys the ability to build your own taco bar however you guys want. So if you guys don't like any of our packages, you guys have the ability to build it however you guys want. And from us, we think that's amazing that we give you guys the ability to do that. And I think that's amazing, right? That you guys get to choose what you guys want in your package. So as you guys scroll down below and you guys start checking the prices and the trays and the meats and the dozens and everything that we offer, you guys can see what Taco Bar Catering has to offer. And you guys can put your imagination to work and build your own taco bar with our BYOTB, build your own taco bar.